Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the area. Clean the earlobe with an alcohol pad and wait until it is fully dry. This improves adhesion and reduces irritation. Once done, choose a sticker size and adhesive strength that matches the accessory weight, because heavier items need stronger adhesive. Make sure to test for sensitivity on a small patch for 5 to 10 minutes. That step tells you whether to use hypoallergenic or standard stickers. Now, get the sticker and accessory ready. You peel the backing slowly, keeping fingers off the adhesive. Finger oils reduce stick. Then, position the sticker precisely. Center it on the earlobe so the accessory sits balanced, because placement controls comfort and appearance. After placement, press firmly from the center toward the edges and hold for 10 to 15 seconds. That warmth and pressure activate the adhesive. If needed, smooth edges to prevent peeling. Once the bond feels secure, attach or hang the earring or clip on it. You finish by attaching the accessory gently and avoiding any tugging for the first 30 minutes. This prevents premature lifting. To remove, peel the sticker back slowly and at a low angle rather than pulling straight off, and clean residue with a little oil or adhesive remover. That protects the skin. If you notice redness, burning, or swelling, take it off immediately and apply a cold compress. If symptoms persist beyond 24-48 hours, seek medical advice to prevent infection or allergic reaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.